Hello there. So today I have the 2014 Mercedes, the C250 turbo one, okay, 4-cylinder, and going to do the front brake and take the wheels off. So according to this vehicle here, is they only put the sensor that on the passenger side, not on the driver side. So you just take this out before you do anything else. As long as you take this out, then the driver side, passenger side is the same. Just clip and then 2 pin right here, and that's it. So make sure you turn the wheel towards you a little bit so you have room in the back here for this bolt right here. And this bolt right here is number 13 if you're using metric. Okay, open up is push down. Okay, and when you see spin like that, using another wrench to hold it. Okay, okay. Okay, take this out. And same thing down the bottom here. You don't have to see it, just do the same at the top here. That's why you do the bottom. Okay, out and take the calipers out. Okay, this aluminum caliper, so very light. I think I like that idea, that using aluminum caliper like that. Okay, the brake pad still pretty decent. You see the hole right there is for your worm marker, and it's still not touching that yet, so still pretty decent. Okay, that's a new brake pad from Napa, and this symbol right there. And they also have arrow right there for front, you know. Okay, all right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this pin and clean it a bit. Still pretty good, a lot of grease on it, but I'm going to wipe it off and clean with the new grease. Okay, I'm going to put some, I cleaned already, so I'm going to put some new grease on it. That's done. So let's push the pin back in. So make sure you do in both top and the bottom, because you have 2 of this. Okay, if you don't have one of these 2, you can go renting the piston pushing tool at the auto part. When you buy your part, you're just renting one. If you don't have one, you can use anything to push this piston. That's fine. I don't think they have a lot of rule and regulation you're not doing right in this, but make sure you push the metal of the piston so they can return back equally, so it doesn't damage the brake piston. Okay, all the way back. Very simple. Okay, and not just Mercedes like this, almost every single car now, they work pretty much the same. Honda, Toyota, Kia, and the concept is pretty much the same. It's not a lot of different. If you know how to do a regular Ford, you should know how to do this. Or you know how to do Toyota, you should know how to do this. They are the same. Don't let high brand name in ripping you off because that's just a name. Okay, you can do something like this, simple like this at home. Okay, I don't know how much torque it for this bolt, but remember when you take them out, it's not very super tight, right? So you don't tighten that until it broke. Okay, because when you're too tight on this, you can break this bolt here and then you're in trouble. Tie the bottom one. Okay, that's it. Let me put tires on and done. Ready to rock and roll. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.